Hi everyone, welcome to Think of Mind. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to solve your problems step by step. If you enjoy helpful tech tips, tutorials, and Google, Windows, and online guides, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell.
In this video, I'll show you exactly how to import a theme to Google Slides and quickly apply a new design to your presentation. Step 1. Open the theme panel in Google Slides. To do this, go to the top menu and click on the slide option, then select Change Theme from the drop-down list. This will open the theme panel on the right side where you can view and manage different presentation themes. Step 2. Click on the Import Theme option located at the bottom of the theme panel. This feature allows you to bring themes from other presentations instead of using the default themes available in Google Slides. Step 3. Select the file that contains the theme you want to import. You can choose a presentation directly from your Google Drive or upload a PowerPoint file with the .ppx format from your computer if the theme is stored locally. Step 4. After selecting the file, Google Slides will display all the themes available inside that presentation. Simply click on the specific theme you want to use, then press Insert to apply it to your current presentation.